David Mazimba, Magadi, how are you? It's me, Mukoma Bidz.
Gujuru.
We are just coming at you today just to say a massive thank you. Thank you so much. We've just reached 20,000 followers by Facebook.
And 1,000 on YouTube.
1,000 subscribers by YouTube. Guys, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Bidz Films, we are there doing things just for you, just to make you smile. There's nothing else. There's no other agenda apart from just making you guys smile. Thank you so much. Please keep your comments coming, keep your feedback coming. That's what we rely on. We need all of that so that we can keep doing what we're doing. We need to know if we should keep doing what we are doing. So guys, please, otherwise Gujuru, he's gonna stop doing what he's doing.
In fact,
should we just stop?
We should just stop.
He wants to stop. So guys, comments, feedback, subscribing, please guys, keep it coming. We will keep coming. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thanks guys. Thanks.
Till I die, I'm simple till I die. I'm simple till I die.